We are so excited to have finally begun the beach condo remodel. I created 2 mood boards, one for the bedroom and one for the living room, to kind of give you an idea of where we're headed with the design. Coastal themed, of course, and light, bright, and airy. For the flooring, we knew we wanted something beautiful and waterproof. Raintree Floors has a waterproof hardwood that checked all the boxes for us. The beauty of hardwood and the durability of waterproof flooring. All of the choices were stunning, and the beauty of hardwood is unmatched with the natural variations, but we did manage to narrow it down to Castle Creek and Egret, our 2 favorites. So we ordered our samples and got the 2 free samples, which I suggest you hop on over to their site and get yours too. You can easily find a retailer close to you by clicking on the dealer locator on the Raintree website and then putting in your zip code. Once you find a retailer close to you, you'll want to visit so you can see the larger samples in person and bring them into your home so you can see what they look like there. Finding the right retailer is important because you'll want to have measurements taken and installation done by trained individuals with years of experience in flooring. Some of the things you can do to prep for install would be removing old flooring, carpeting, shoe mold, moving things off the floor, putting them up high in closets, generally getting everything kind of out of the way. Be sure to sweep and vacuum too. You want those floors clean, ready for your beautiful new flooring. Next up, installation. Hope you'll follow along with me.